today's episode.
I have my 87 up on the lift. I was driving around and the gas tank started leaking. There's a hole in the side. So I got a new tank. I'm gonna put that in. And I did a new exhaust. Added a little bit of spider web. It's got the soft top. Day 2, all the lines are corroded, so I will be making new ones. The one-day projects are never one day. Amazon special should do the trick. Got 20 feet. I ordered an extra 20 feet just in case. I got some specialty fittings from Earl's to go to the stock fuel pump. The new isolator. Picked up this tank from Holly and picked up the fuel pump from Advanced. Made up the new lines. Got the adapters. I need to get the old lines out and get this ready to put back up in there. Got all the lines done. I'm running the stock fuel filter. This way I can pick it up at any auto parts store going across the country. And get some gas in it and check it for leaks. A little trimming and we're good. The Hummer. Looking sick with the 40s. Stranded in Palm Springs, right? Front wheel drive. Tap it down a little bit. Okay. I'll get this one in. Get this cap. Tap this one down. Bada bing, bada boom. That's how you do that. Back on the road. 5 more hours. I'm finally back from my cross-country trip. Excited to tear this apart, put the new input shaft in it, and stay tuned for the next video.